Hello again, I'm here with a new device and today I have got an ADLER dehumidification device, which is ADLER AD 7861, and in this video I'm going to unbox it and turn on for the first time and quickly go through the functions. It has two dehumidification modes, it's ordinary and continuous. So what does it mean? Ordinary, it has automatic mode, it automatically turns on and turns off when you set your humidification level in percents, and when it is below it turns off, and when it rises about for more than 3% it turns again on and makes dehumidification. And continuous is when it runs all the time, and there is two options. If you use the water container, it will stop when it is full automatically, or there is a nozzle inside the box which you can add to, I don't know, to other big tank, and then it will run like forever. So what is here on the box? Its capacity is 10 liters per 24 hours. Coverage area around 60 square meters, cubic meters. It's practically good for one bigger room. You can set also a timer. As I said before, you can adjust the level of humidity, and it has water tank, and it has some automatic features, so it looks after the humidification level in the room and the timer function. So basically you can leave it in your room for daily work if needed for longer period of time. So okay, I'm done with my introduction words. Let's get in the box. So here is the manual, quite a lot of languages here, so it's for Europe. Practically all languages are here, and here are like 2 pages to read to get to know it a little bit deeper. I already looked at it, so I have some perspective about this device. So this is box. It weighs for approximately 10 kilos, and yeah, it is not small and not very big device, but it's more powerful than these small dehumidification devices. Okay, here is this small nozzle for continuous working. So this is not attached, so you can just attach it when needed. And here is the display with all the options here. We will turn it on and check how it works. I haven't done it yet. So here is handle, so you can easily grab it with one hand, and it has soft legs under, and it stays stable, so you can see how big is it against my hand. Okay, this is the device. Some parameters here. I need to remove these blue stickers. So I can turn it on for the first time. Manual says that it needs at least 20 centimeters around it, free area, so it will work correctly. So it's quite simple. Here is the filter. You just need to clean it after some time, and here is the water container tank. And that's basically everything, and here is the place for the nozzle, so you can add it here and attach bigger container for continuous dehumidification. Okay, one more sticker on this side. Why I chose this? I didn't get deep into everything about this device, but looking through our popular internet shops, I just found it like the most appropriate device for the flat and living area, and price, performance and options. It was 89 euros, and I ordered it yesterday and got it already today. And here is, I think, our outlet or intake, but we have gone through everything, so we can add it to the electricity and test it for the first time. Okay, I have added it to the electricity, and the situation in the house is now, outside is a cold autumn, the heating is not very powerful yet, and the humidity level is almost 80%. So let's see, I will leave it for the overnight working. Let's see what it can do, and I think I will show the result in the end of this video. But now just let's try to turn it on. Okay, I just pressed the power button and it started already working, and this looks like humidity level, I suppose, and it is rising. Of course, it couldn't measure it so fast. And also one more thing, it has automatic defrost function. After like 45 minutes it makes defrost, it's like defrost itself, and then it automatically continues work. Let's see how big humidity is in here. It's already more than 70%. Looks like it stopped here. And let's check what is happening when I... Okay, CO means that it is continuing, non-stopping. Okay, here I can adjust optimal level. Okay, I will set it to 50%, and it should be in automatic mode. And here I can also by pressing the timer I can adjust hours, so I can put on from 1 to 24 hours of work. Yeah, and if it's 0, it will be working on automatic regime on my preset humidity level. So basically that is everything about functions and options. And as I said, it turns off itself automatically when the water tank is full or it has reached the adjusted humidity level, and turns on automatically when the humidity level is rising. Okay, let's wait for the end of the video where we will see the result, and I will say how long it took and how much water it took to reach the humidity level of 50%, and I will leave it in this room and close the door, so it will be working only for one room. If the door is open, it will also take the humidity from other rooms, but this will probably be necessary later. Okay, see you later. Okay, after 5 hours I see that the moisture is less than 50%, but during the evening I put it to get to 30%. I don't know for how long it has already reached the amount of 50%, but it's time to check how much water is in the tank during the 5 hours. Okay, this is what it is after 5 hours. It is like 1/3 of a tank, and if tank is 2 liters, then 1/3 is approximately 700 milliliters of water during one evening. So this is it about the first test of this device. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful. Goodbye.